What's up, guys? It's Jeff from Detrailers, and look at this beautiful rig behind us. I just love it. Look at this, black on black on black on black. This is a rig that we just completed. This is going to be a pressure wash setup, not really a mobile car wash setup, although it will do that and it'll do vehicles, but it's more geared for pressure washing. And I just love how it looks. It just came out beautiful. I mean, you can tell it's my style because it matches my shop truck pretty much perfectly, black on black on black. 6x14 double axle torsion bar axle. It's electric brakes, of course. They even did the roof vent blacked out. Isn't that nice? There ain't an ounce of chrome on this trailer. So that's the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. So as I mentioned, this one's going to be geared more for pressure washing, and you can see why. It's got this beast in here, GX690 V-twin Honda power with a big old 8-gallon-a-minute pump that puts out 3,500 psi. It's got a lot of muscle, and I've been building this style of unit now for 3 years. I'm a Pressure Pro dealer now. This is a Pressure Pro power unit. They are the best. I know them all. I know all the ones that are out there. There's North Star, there's Landa. I've worked on all of them, and the Pressure Pro is by far the best. That's why I sought them out and became a dealer, Pressure Pro dealer. But been building these for about 3 years now, and like I said, they're so powerful. So this one, you know, will do anything. It's set up for single line. The customer didn't want dual line right now, but it's easily converted later on. Thing I really like about this trailer is, yeah, it looks just over the top on the outside, but it's real basic as far as its setup. It's a 8-gallon-a-minute hot water system, single line, 400 gallons. You can see that what I design on these is I do dual 200s. There's a reason for that. There's a couple of different benefits for that. The balance is really good on this trailer, so even full of water, it's not going to sag down the tow vehicle. And we managed to get a lot of storage left over. Now you'll notice some of these competitor units, they put this thing up front, and then they'll do a door up front. Big mistake. Way too much tongue weight. This is a heavy unit. This weighs 700 pounds, this thing, and that's without fuel. You put it up front, you're going to have a ton of tongue weight. Plus, you can't do the awesome V-nose, which is really great. They tow so much better. They're a lot better wind resistance. We do flat nose, but I'm a big fan of the V-nose. But anyway, yeah, look at you want the unit here. This is about the perfect balance. And look at all the storage space we've got left over. So you can put anything you need to put there. He didn't really want to finish out the interior. Like you can see, the roof is finished out, but he didn't want to spend the extra money to do the finished out walls, which is fine. I understand, you know, everybody's got a budget. Me personally, I would have probably spent the extra 500 bucks and had the walls finished out. But again, budgets. I understand budgets better than anybody. And that's something that we try and do. We try and work with everybody's budget. Unlike some of these companies out here that build, like, you know, 4 or 5 different units, I think we have, I don't know, I think we've got 20, 30 different styles of units, and I really don't think anything that we've ever built has been identical to anything else. There were two Coca-Cola units that went to Mexico, and they were exact twins of each other. But other than that, I don't think I've ever designed out, or I don't think we've ever produced anything that was identical. We build everything to the customer, and it just never seems like any two customers want the same thing. So back here, the business end, we've got fill hose, obviously plumbed right into the tanks, and then we've got 200 feet of hose on a reel. And then, you know, there's a lot of flexibility as far as what you need in terms of hose. Most people go with 100 feet. He went with 200 feet. 200 feet is really kind of the limit on a hand crank reel. The next step up would be an electric rewind reel if you're going with, let's say, 300 feet. I think 300 feet is kind of excessive, but there are specialty applications where people need that. We've built a lot of rigs for the oil fields, the guys in the oil fields, and you know, those are 300 feet on electric reel. But anyway, if you're thinking of going in the pressure washing business, the soft wash business, the mobile vehicle wash business, the truck wash business, we are the best company for you. We will custom build something exactly to what you need, and most importantly, we'll keep the budget in check. That's the other thing I've seen in the industry. Some of these prices these other companies are charging are absolutely ridiculous. It's, you know, you do get what you pay for, but you can also overpay for that, and that's not what we're about. If there's something that I don't think you need right now, I will tell you. If there's something that absolutely I think you need to have right now, I will tell you that too. Something you can wait on and add later, I'll let you know. But if you're deciding to go in this business, if you want to go in this business, give me a call. I answer the phone. I answer the toll-free number as much as I can, and if I'm not in the shop, I'll forward it to my cell phone. There's the toll-free right there. Look. 877-777-0077. How can you forget that number? Anyway, we can ship worldwide. We've shipped units to Greece, Hawaii, Kuwait, Puerto Rico. Doesn't matter where you are, we can get a unit to you. Feel free to call me, like I said, anytime. My name's Jeff. This is a Detrailer. Have a great day. All right.